It's been 3.5 years now since we moved. Good memories. This is forever.
But this is forever.
For us, that's why we choose this plan, so we can look ahead if the kids move out. Can we still maintain the house? Is it too big for us? But if ever had a chance to build again, we will definitely build with boutique homes. I think it's the total experience. From the day we walk into the display house, you know, that feeling that this is it, this is the one. We still have that feeling until now. We really found the one. Because we did a knockdown and rebuild, we bought an old property. The potential for this area is really great. And now its value has really gone up. Talking about the 1-year warranty, it was really smooth because from the start, it was explained to us that the house will always move a little bit. You know, we just have to take note all the changes within, you know, the structure. So when the warranty inspection came, we had this list and they fixed it.
It was a matter of only about 3 to 4 days, and that was it. It was fixed after that one.
After that, we never had any problems at all. When it comes to the structure of the house, we are very confident that
it would last.
It would last, and we're not gonna have any major issues. And if there is, you know, it's just a phone call away, and we have this peace of mind all the time.
We've got a few friends that's built with boutique. When they came in, boutique caught their heart. So they inquired which house and they discussed the options, what we did with boutique.
I always said upgrade the doors because that really makes the house bigger. Always suggest about double glazed windows because it's really help us save energy. And I always encourage them to, if they can, put all the inclusions with boutique. I know how budget is always important, but you're only gonna do this once. You walk around the house, everything's still functional. Every area is being used. Dining room, living room, they're all used every single day. And we enjoy every moment. We had created this book that everyone who stays in the guest room will write something. And it's really wonderful reading them again and again.
Saying, you know, how the house looks like. It was really nice.
Very modern, very homely, and they love it. And said it's like a hotel.
It's forever.
It's forever. It's just, you know, it's a nice feeling living in this house.